bike check on my DK Team V1. I'm gonna start with the bars. I got DK Sigma bars with ODI grips, ODI alloy bearings. I got an Odyssey mono lever brake lever. I got Odyssey M2 brake cables with a snafu gyro. And I got a Primo, I think a V1 stem, Primo Annihilator. I got Shadow captive forks. I got kink seat post, Shadow seat clamp. I think I fly brakes. I don't know if I already said that. Demolition Momentum tires. Odyssey Bluebird chain. I got profile hubs, profile cranks, profile chain wheel, and a profile bottom bracket. Premium slim PC pedals. Sun Rhino Light rims. And I don't know if I said my forks, but they're Shadow captives. And I do a little hub sound. That's my bike.